The way a nuclear power plant works is much like a fossil fuel power plant. Water is turned to steam, which drives turbines to produce electricity. Unlike a fossil fuel power plant, though, the steam is created during fission, or when the uranium atoms split for nuclear power plants.
Some advantages of a nuclear power plant include emitting low amounts of carbon dioxide, having little relativity of contribution to global warming regarding greenhouse gases, and the fact that the technology required is readily available.
A few reasons why nuclear power plants are not that common include yielding to the production of nuclear weapons, leading to being targets for terrorists, the fact that each plant takes 30 years to build, and finally that one of the key items needed is uranium, and it's very scarce.